You just found the 2022 Ford Ranger. With less than 20,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. Get serious about your outdoor lifestyle. Take a closer look at this Ranger, the midsize pickup that's ready for work or adventure. Rigorously tested and proven tough even under extreme conditions, it offers a surprising tow and payload capacity, aerodynamic styling, and an irresistible blend of comfort and convenience. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: intelligent auto on-off high beams, pre-collision system, lane departure warning, keyless entry, four-wheel drive, heated mirrors, fog lamps, satellite radio, keyless start, power passenger seat. Athletic agility meets efficient capability in this versatile Ranger. Take it out for a test drive and see for yourself. Our professional staff looks forward to giving you excellent service.